Right, so this is number 1142 in the Ashley Book of Knots, and it's the jug sling knot. Now, it's a bit fiddly, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you make a bite like that, and hold it down with your thumb and forefinger. So you got your good old classic bunny ears. And now you get your centre cord on the right, bring it over the left, hold it down with your finger, like that. Then you get your centre cords and give them a twist. And again you hold it down with your thumb and forefinger. And what you have, one hole there, the centre, and one hole here. And what we're going to do now, get your thumb and forefinger, bring it down through the centre of the knot, and we're grabbing this piece here. It's going to go down, underneath, and up through the centre of the knot, like that. Now let's flatten the knot out. And now you've got hole there, and the loop through the middle. So what we're going to do is get this right hand piece here, and it's going to flop down to the left hand side like that. Now this centre loop is naturally going to go up there, and then this loop here is just going to flop down there like that. And because it's paracord, it does like to twist a bit, but just a little bit of fiddling around and you end up with your bottle sling knot. Now, is there any other kind of knot you would like me to have a go at? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.